Menteri Ketenat Sports ke Jela ubak wailat Miki Shila, ula pelong ke jinga keren nyamir jingmut bat ki samna puli bala syakjit, kumjuk kinawan rak nam shwa ke exposure trip jongki, banlet jingo yak Presiden Jongkari India, bat benyashim bentah ke dorbar telang jong ke Parliament Arja Arpasan, ha ke jinga dan lang u Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS, Deputy Commissioner jong ke West Giant Hills District, bat u opisar ha Conference Hall jong ke Office u Deputy Commissioner Juai. Hapo kajingalam jong uma wailat mki shila kajing temu jong ni ke program kelalong shisha ke bajob laong u deputy commissioner ula airu kajingaro ya ke SDO sadar juai bat ya baro kino hikai ke belano senyang bat pensyure ki kena school banishim benta shirhem ban keli jingkeli bat ban pendan kam ya kalat ban tei ya kajing shanya bat ban penyar ya kajing yo i jengai jongki u Abhinav Kumar Singh ula penpau baya ke program lapar khat lingba ke jinga kren bat uma wailat miki shila ban penpau perthei ki samla shakilenti turekam bapher bat banyarap eki ban sngoto ya kasap jongki ha kani ka jinglet ki samla puli ke nyo kalat banya kendu bat ke Presiden Badan Buram Jongkari India ban jungo ya ka Rashtrapati Bhawan bat ke Museum Jongka ban sakhi ya ka jingalang live jongka Parliament bat ban let jungo ru ya ka Nehru Planetarium ula pentip syuk balada kapor ka ailat la ru banyalam me ki samla puli shaki weipat ki jaka bu jingtho jong ki jaka wat banya Delhi baro khat nyongut ki samla puli on senran lang tek youth icon kenthop ka sawa kani lakyang nong job ya ka takmak siar ha ka kerdan jong ki kenthei bikini model bat ka kenthei ba marway na Meghalaya kabala job ya ka pro card holder ha ka jingalang kabala pelong ha Mumbai kabala pelong na South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation but Alexander unong job ha ka jingale kai arm wrestling but para arm wrestling championship Arjapsan nalor uma yait bhap hawa assistant research officer but uma kan pham mi ringklem research assistant jongka planning branch DC office juai ban beten nentia ki habaro kuwai ka program ringkat ki jingdan kam baro kenthop ya kalit kawan berkajaka sa lapen bait daki borsen shar district.
So as per the schedule that we have programmed, the students along with the two of the representatives would be going and interacting with the Honorable President of India. They would be having a tour of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which includes the museum as well. After which, in the post-afternoon session, they will be witnessing a live winter session of the Parliament. As Sir suggested, to also include in science exploration to increase the scientific temper amongst the students, they would be also visiting a Nehru Planetarium. We would also request that if at all, not due to paucity of time, if we are able, if we can take them to any other museums or to the archaeological sites in Delhi, and all their logistics and all their traveling things and their housing has been arranged by the district administration. All thanks to Sir for the same as well. And I'm looking forward for more interactive session. And if any of you could volunteer to just express how it has been and what is the feeling from the side of the parents or teachers or from students who would like to come forward and express about that, it would be really grateful. Thank you. Thank you.
I want to know that what you have learned and through this exposure trip, what change have come on you after this exposure trip. That is, and then please, while you are there, ask many questions as you can. More ask questions. Try to, like I said, try to learn as much as you can. And we will going to continue this program. And as you know from the sports and from the youth affair, we are just recently concluded the state level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program. I think from you were there. And then after that, we are not stopping only in our state. We'll be sending the winners to the National Youth Exchange Program, and to the runners-up, they will be participating in the Northeast Youth Exchange Program. And this year, next year, we are sending 2 groups. One into Malaysia, the International Exchange Program. One will be sending to Malaysia, and the other group will be sending to Philippines for more exposure. So I want to see from our district also should be there participating, and will continue from the district itself will continue this kind of program and will try to come up with some more to give you the opportunity. But now you have started and you are going to represent our district and the national capitals. And at the same time, it is very important, like we always used to discuss with our DC, it is very important that to have this kind of exposure trip in order to build that excitement, to give you more courage and all. I still remember it was even like one of the students from JNV have already mentioned, I'm also a student from JNV. I still remember why I'm able to stand in front of you here today. It's because of the exposure, because of the opportunity given to me, and I have participated like almost in everything. And whatever my teacher used to tell me, I always do it. If they tell me to dress like a girl also, I will dress it. Because I know they will never send me to do anything bad. So that's why I think I'm here today. So it is for you, it is a great opportunity for you all. And I hope you will enjoy the trip. And please try to learn as much as you can.
Kemudian dengan program kepada cuy kami hakajen mau misi yang lipo yang punya district which orang mau kami ikrang anggu di Patokwa di kena yang ini pok district UMD kenja exposure ke bad jan benda ketemu yang kini benar itu dem yang district administration dapat yang kini competition ke essay writing ke science olympiad bad kam ter the lengkap ni negeri ki program ada yo ye job but mem kuai ga pun pada district kuai ga exposure trip dan ni kata pun kata live penlimo kata platform kenang yo build yo learn yo MD kata courage dan ni kata confident yo boost your confident level yo kena ke dalam yang district administration da pen create yo ke program ya kini winners nampak kini competition tu boleh player macam tu lah ini winners naga district level youth engagement program dan arrange program ko yo live dan tu visit di Raj Bhavan ya ka president yo dan tu ye chem le president of India dau lagi Raj Bhavan yo ye chem yo president of India mana dia maintain dia dau attend di yang winter parliament session nang yo kaman ka real parliament crack ko ente yo nang yo boost ya kata interest rani ya kata confident level yo nang wa yo negeri kita mesti bantu yo future leaders te kani ka torum put ko pada itu henry lau ya kila jadi museum dan jadi niki museum tu mana innovative ter ini program te kani to ka percang yang ini district administration yo kata exposure ya kata platform yang ini kena yo expose ki ya kini mo ya mana live sabar yo kip yo kaman ga perthai sabar the how competitive kaman man competitive ko nang yo aim be on a higher nang wa mesti man yo future leader ya district ini